this is Agent Matt. I'm in Happy Valley with Liam, who I helped purchase this home a few months ago. After some renovation, this is how it turned out. I'm really happy to chat with him today to talk about his whole journey from purchasing to transforming and moving into this lovely home.
We were looking for square footage. Basically, we've got 2 young boys and we knew we needed some space to grow. So the price range that we're looking at, we probably knew we were going to have to do some renovations to make it work for us.
Originally, the kitchen where you see it now used to be the living room, but we immediately saw the advantage of having an open dining space with the living room beside it. Originally, the kitchen was back here, so we thought this would be a perfect place to put our utilities right beside the bathroom.
So once we purchased the property, we went to a company, Liha Homes, and we showed them the floor plan and we talked through with them about what we wanted in the house and what we could do with the unique layout that this place had. Once they got that, they started giving us some options, and then it was just going back and forth, giving some suggestions, getting some suggestions from them, and then deciding on the product. Once that was decided, they basically took control and they went over first day started demolition, and then here we are now in about 4 months. But it was a pretty seamless process. They had all the contractors under one company, so it was a very easy process for us. So our favourite part of the house is the kitchen. So we've got some North American comforts. We've got the wine fridge here, we've got the double fridge here with the ice maker and water, we've got the microwave, we've got a full-size oven to cook some family feed, we've got the dishwasher when we've made a big mess. But the favourite part of the kitchen would be the island, where we get to sit together and eat as a family and converse at the end of the day. I think the fact that we could get a property for a little bit less was very helpful, and then the renovation process is very personal. So we got to choose exactly the way we wanted to have the house, and that gives us more ownership of the place. And when we came and moved in, it already felt like home.
Well, Liam, thank you so much for having us today.
Well, thank you for finding us our home.
Well, it's a pleasure for me, and if you guys need a home, well, it's my job, so it would be my pleasure to help you as well. And I'll see you next time.